Hello and welcome to this PlanetGeo TreePlotter tutorial. Let's talk about the data field editor. This amazing tool allows you to add new fields to your tree details form, edit them, or hide existing fields, and even create new tabs. Here is a quick overview of the features and workflow of the data field editor. You can find the tool by logging into the TreePlotter app as a user with admin rights and going to the hub, Data Tools, and selecting Data Field Editor. I can change the name of a field by editing the text in the field alias column. To change the values available for a field, click the Edit button in the Values column. Here I can edit existing values, add values, and set a default value if I choose. To change the tab a field belongs to, change the drop-down in the Tab column. Click the Add button to add additional tabs if you would like it to appear in more than one tab. Finally, we can set user-level permissions in the Permissions column. Within this window, I can select where each field appears in different features throughout TreePlotter, as well as set permissions for each user level, allowing them to be able to view and edit the field or not. When finished making all changes, click the Save Changes button to implement them in the app. Please note that editing is disabled on the grayed out fields, such as Tree ID, DBH, and others. To create a new field, click the Create Field button. Select the input type for the field and click Add Field. The new field will then appear at the bottom of the form, and you can edit the properties of the field as we just covered. To reorder the fields on the form, hover over the dots in the first column until a hand appears, and then click and drag that row to where you want it. To remove a field, uncheck the checkbox in the active column next to the field you want to remove. This will deactivate and hide the field for all users. The field can be reactivated at any time by checking the active checkbox. To create a new tab, click on the Manage Tabs button and click the Add Tab button. You can also rename existing tabs from here if you like. That's how to use the data field editor to configure the fields in your tree details form. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit us at support.treeplotter.com.